My name is Naveshri. I am studying 9th class in KJBV Nadilla, Palnadu district in Andhra Pradesh. Today's my project name is IOT Flood Monitoring Alerting System. To design and implement of this project name is IOT Flood Monitoring Alert System. Water level consists from upwards the sensor were detecting from the floods. So the people has been alerts. So the people was safety place in activate buzzer and notification. So the people was safety place in the whole of the country. So the people's to enabling of the protections of the areas and safety place activate buzzer and message of near mobiles but message of normal mobiles. So the people has been floods of the floods. This project my sisters will continue.
My name is Hema. I am studying 8th class in KJBU Nadilla, Palnadu district, Andhra Pradesh. Material used in the project is Arduino Uno, water level sensor, buzzer, GSM module, jumper wires connecting to
Next. Now.
This is Arduino 5.7 digital 5.7 volts to GSM module second pin. Next we connecting on the Arduino 7 the digital 8 pin to GSM second third pin. Next Arduino analog 1 pin to water level sensor third pin. Next we have connecting to the Arduino ground to buzzer first pin. Next we have connecting to the Arduino 5.5 volts to GSM third pin. This project is working of this project is first we have connecting to the laptop connections on the Arduino board. Next take the water bottle, water to water level sensor to shade the water level sensor. The buzzer was notification and people has been alerts. So the one place to another place the people. Next this water to
Kavya. I am studying 7th class in KJBV Nadilla, Palnadu district, Andhra Pradesh. Result: IOT flood monitoring and alert system successful monitoring water level using the SCN 18 sensor to send real-time data to ThinkSpeak, which when the water level exceed that they should the system trigger and LED to buzzer for flood alerts. The data is also
thank you one and all.